Here we have a geometry problem. Okay, there is a figure given over here. In the figure above, O is the center of the circle and measure of angle ABO equals to 62 degree, and we have to find the measure of angle ACB. Okay, now how to solve this problem? Okay, let's have a plan. Okay, here this is the angle measure, that is AOB is the angle measure subtended by the arc AB at the center of the circle. And ACB is the angle measure subtended by the same arc AB at a point C on the circle. So there is a theorem in geometry, that is the angle subtended by an arc at a point, at any point on the circle, equals to half of the angle measure subtended by the same arc at the center of the circle. So we need the measure of the angle over here, that is subtended by the arc AB. Okay, there is an angle measure given over here, that is measure of angle ABO equals to 62 degree. And we know that OB is the radius of the circle and OA is also radius of the circle. So since OA, OB, both of them represent a radius, so they must be equal in length. So in this triangle OAB, so the length of the side OA, the length of the side OB must be equal because both of them are radius to the circle. And in any triangle, so the angle measures which are opposite to the sides of equal length must be equal. So this is the angle measure opposite to the side OA, and this is the angle measure opposite to the side OB. Since OA and OB are equal because they are radius, so whatever angle measure we have over here, the same angle measure we have over here, that is 60 degree, because these two angle measures are opposite to the sides of the triangle of equal length. Okay, now let's consider the triangle OAB. So I know the two interior angle measures, 60 degree, 62 degree. I need to know the third interior angle measure over here at the center. So what should I do? Already we know the stuff, that is angles, some property of a triangle. That is, in any triangle, the three interior angles will always add up to 180 degree. So the interior angle measure over here, here and here must add up to 180 degree. So because these are the three interior angle measures of a triangle OAB. Okay, to get the third interior angle measure, what I need to do is I have to add the two interior angle measure over here, that is 62 degree, positive 62 degree. So when I add them, I am getting 124 degree. Now to get the third interior angle measure, I have to subtract this 124 degree from the 180 degree, which is the sum of the three interior angles. So let me subtract 124 degree from 180 degree. So when I do this subtraction, I am getting 56 degree. So this is the measure of the third interior angle measure over here. So if I add these three interior angle measures, they will add up to 180 degree. Okay, now I got the angle subtended by the arc AB at the center of the circle, that is measure of angle AOB, that is measure of angle AOB equals to 56 degree. Okay, now my aim is to get the measure of angle ACB. So this is the angle ACB. The angle ACB is subtended by the same arc AB at a point C on the circle. So already I said the theorem. So that is angle subtended by an arc at a point on the circle, that is a measure of angle ACB equals to half of the measure of the angle subtended by the same arc AB at the center of the circle, which is angle AOB. So 1/2 times, already we got the measure of angle AOB, that is angle subtended by the arc AB at the center of the circle, that is 56 degree. So we can plug in 56 degree for this measure of angle AOB. So 1/2 times 56 degree. So 1/2 of 56 degree is 28 degree. So the measure of angle ACB equals to 28 degrees.